Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Autobiography edition finished in bronze. This 2024 model comes with a 2-litre D200 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 21-inch gloss dark grey with diamond tone contrasting alloy wheels. This Evoque features around 590 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing for larger luggage items as well as golf clubs and even a pushchair, and it can be closed automatically with just the push of a button. Making our way into the back, we can find the cloud and ebony interior with the extended Windsor leather seats. There are ISOFIX points located on the seats, as well as a fold-down armrest which houses 2 exposed cup holders, and there is also a rear climate control panel for backseat passengers to utilise. It does feature heated seats with 3-way power, as well as 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that cloud and ebony interior as seen on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are fully electronically operated with lumbar support. Here's a closer look at the 2-tone multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, with controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the voice control, and on the left for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including 1 and 2 dial as well as map and media. Speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access the radio with FM and DAB and connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via Bluetooth. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left we can bring up the rear parking camera as well as the 3D imagery and satellite imagery. Below that there is a pocket to store your phone with a USB-C charging port, and behind the centre console are 2 exposed cup holders, and the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket inside with an additional USB port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Autobiography edition. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.